Peace be upon you. This car has a problem where the fuel gauge is giving an incorrect reading of the amount of fuel in the tank. I've fixed this problem before, but it came back. Now I'll explain the main reason for this problem. The steps I'm about to show you are suitable for all types of passenger cars, whether their fuel tank is made of metal or high-density polyethylene, also known as fiberglass or plastic. The steps are the same for both. Let me show you. After disconnecting the connections to the fuel pump, carefully remove the pump and empty the fuel into a container. Check if the fuel inside is light or dark. Use a manual pump or hose to draw out the remaining fuel from the tank. To understand the main reason for the incorrect fuel gauge reading, it's usually due to fuel buildup. Dirt. On the electronic board of the fuel level sensor, when the board is cleaned, it starts giving correct readings again. Since I fixed this problem in this car before and it came back, it means that the fuel tank has deposits that accumulate on the board over time, giving incorrect readings. The radical solution is to clean the tank from the inside. I got a suitable sized piece of sponge and put it inside the fuel tank. I started pressing while cleaning the bottom of the tank from all directions as far as my arm could reach. Then I took it out and squeezed it into the plastic bowl. I repeated this several times until the bottom of the tank was completely clean. If I look closer, you'll see what the sponge looks like after I finish cleaning the bottom of the tank with it. If you think the gasoline coming out is clean, see what happens when I run my finger through it. So don't let appearances fool you. The second step was to go to the fuel pump and wash it. From the inside, with a pressurized gasoline gun, I press the clips to remove the circuit board with the fuel float on it. As you can see, the board is clean because I cleaned it about 2 months ago with thinner and a toothbrush. The additional step I'll take now is to get 320 grit sandpaper and insert it under the contact points that move on the board. I'll put thinner on it and move the contact points so they move on the sandpaper and clean themselves at the copper contact points underneath. If you hold the sandpaper up close, you'll see the cleaning marks and the visible deposits that were stuck to the contact points. I'll then reinstall the fuel float as it was in its original position. The most important thing is to make sure that the float arm is free to move and not jammed in its place, because this is a very important point and will cause a problem with the fuel gauge if the arm is jammed. I will use a 100 micron filter with the gasoline I extracted from the fuel tank, so I can put it back in to make sure that no sediment gets into the tank, and I'll bring the filter closer so you can see how much impurity it has trapped. Like and share the video because it will definitely benefit many people, and we'll continue together in the next video.